Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to animate and add effects to 3D models in Microsoft PowerPoint so that we can make our presentation even more interactive and engaging. Click Insert, then click 3D Models. This will then appear. Then you can search for a particular 3D model that you want, or you can just explore these categories. Click on the images that you want to insert. You can insert more than one image, and then if you're satisfied with your selection, click Insert. Here is my 3D model. To explore more on its animation and effects, I can just double click my 3D model. So as you can see in here, the moment I double click my model, a 3D model tab shows here. So as you can see in here, there are different orientation or direction for my 3D model, and I can just choose one of these. So we can also explore more animations for this 3D model. So we just click animations so we can view the different scene for that particular 3D model, and we can choose the scene that we want. So to even add more effects and animation, we can just click this icon, add animation, and we can see here different scenes, different positions, and even transitions for that particular 3D model. Here's a short demo of what we just did. Please watch. Well done! Explore the animations available for your chosen 3D model and have fun! Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe and like button for more videos.